Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap, and I wanted to show you something a little different today. For my birthday, I got this gift from a very dear friend, Carrie from Nurture Soap, and she knew that I liked this, that I was looking at this, and I would love to make some stuff with it. So I thought, I'll show you what I did with this. So I made these. Let's see if I can put that there. Yeah. And these are from soap. These are soap cookies. You know, one of the things I really like about soap is that you can give this to anybody and they can use it. And, well, for the most part, anybody. It's a little bit more general. I don't eat sugar, so if somebody gave me a cookie like this, I would just not be able to, I'd keep it for a while, but then it would eventually not get used in any way. But if you gave me something like this in soap, I certainly would use it. And they're just fun. So relatively impractical, but it's definitely fun. And these things can be used for all types of gifts. And people make very elaborate cookies. I follow lots of cookie makers, and they make very elaborate cookies, and those just get eaten. Those are consumed in a short amount of time, and soap actually will stick around a while. So this is what this kit is for, cookies essentially, but I wanted to see if I could make it with soap. So I've already opened it and obviously used it, but I'll show you what it looks like, which I like the packaging quite a bit. And she has a lot of different sets. And this I thought was such a clever idea that you could break these apart and put these in your recipe book. Some people keep recipe cards. And these are all the instructions for what you're gonna need for each cookie. So anyway, I thought this was really cool. And so then she has these cookie cutters. So there's the house cookie cutter. This is the one I used for this. Oop, there's fuzz. And then this is this cookie cutter. And then this one is, see, that's that. And then there's the silicone. Oh, and so then this also, I did not use this piece. This piece goes inside of this right here, like that, for a little pillow-like look. I didn't use that. I handmade these spider webs, and no spider web comes with this, but that's from an extruder. And so then there's this mold, and the soap, once it gets in there, is really difficult to get out. This right here, so you can see that comes in there. It's pretty detailed. And what I was interested in is how easy it was to get out of this, and this was really nice. And you know it's okay for soap because it's food grade. So, and then there's a skull and some flowers and a little bird. And then this one is the most little detailed, delicate one right here. And I managed to get it out right here. So that came from here, which this I could actually use on so many soaps, because I've yet to find one quite that delicate and detailed, and then one that I could get out. So if you see, that's really flat. A lot of these are poured silicone, which is really nice. So a lot of the molds are push molds, and they end up having a pillow top. And so when you scrape the soap dough off, it doesn't come off very cleanly, and it's very fiddly. But this is perfect. So here is, okay, and so here's the other thing that I thought was really helpful about this particular set. So here's the gravestone, which I will make eventually, and then this little beaded part right here, and then this little detailed part. So there's two. And now, because they're so small, I've been able to get these out pretty easily. Like here, you can see this little detailed part here, and that came out of here, but there's two of them, which is really nice. This one's a little flimsier and this one's a little more stable. So that's helpful, and I can use that with lots of things, which I have most recently taken the little fleur-de-lis. Well, I put it upside down, so it's upside down here and right side up here. And I used this on a bottle that I made, a series of bottles. So there's that, and then this one has the pumpkin in it. So if you can see, it has the pumpkin, it has the door, which is right here, the bat, has this framework, this little filigree framework, and then again a repeat of that one, which is really nice. I like to have that duplicate there. And then these just get all assembled with water, and they stick and stay. And then here's some texture mats. So this one they used, I don't see, oh, this one they used originally in the book, on the cover, they used for the back of this. I didn't do that. I wanted it painted, and I used glow-in-the-dark soap dough right here, and then I just painted the edge. And I also used orange around the edge and then sort of blurred it into it. So I didn't end up using that one. And this texture mat I used for the top of here, for the roof on the house. See if you can see that. And then, so the brick I haven't used yet, but I will use that on the cement or on the headstone sort of piece. And this one, did I use this? No, yes, I did use this. And this one I used for the back of this right here, if you can see that. And then I just painted with a little bit of mica on top of here and here the bat so that he stood out a bit. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this because there's so many ways to use soap dough, and anything that we make in sugar or fondant, we can use soap dough for. And then of course you don't eat it but so anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. And I think so Lorena Sweets, I'm not sponsored by her or anything. I just thought I would share that with you in case you're interested in peeking over there. And the fun thing is that, you know, you get this whole kit, you get everything that you need to create any of these items. And Carrie knew that I liked the Halloween stuff, so that's why she got. But they have Christmas ones, and she has tons of other ideas over there. And I just thought, well, maybe you guys would be interested in that too. The only one I don't see, oh, maybe she used two. I don't see a duplicate pumpkin there. So that's the only one that isn't on here in any way duplicated. Yeah, that one's not there. So maybe she used two of these to make that, and that looks like it might be true. Anyway, and so leave me some questions, or if you have purchased this yourself or any of these products, let me know what your thoughts are on it, or if you have any questions about soap dough. So thanks for watching.